This is Swallow's Charter Academy. If you are looking for an innovative and creative school to send your K through 12 student to, Swallow's Charter Academy is the place for you. Swallow's Charter Academy is home of the Spartans. We are a K through 12 school that houses roughly 700 students, and we have a current graduation rate of 97%. Many of our seniors that go on to graduate attend an STS program. STS stands for Senior to Sophomore. These high school seniors graduate with an associate's degree along with their diploma. We are also a core knowledge school. The surrounding schools in the area are Common Core, but as a core knowledge school, topics are readdressed as children progress through their grade levels. We also just finished our new K-8 facility in 2020. Here we have a picture of our new playground, the learning stairs, and we now have a 2-story building. We can also keep our class sizes relatively small as a charter school. We have 24 students per grade level, which means more one-to-one support from your teacher. We also utilize 21st century seating in our classrooms. This is helpful for behavior management, class management, and kids just have all-around fun. Strong rapport and relationships are built between staff and students here at Swallow's Charter Academy.